In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, edit and delete filters in Gmail. So I'm here on my computer with Gmail open in my browser, and I'm currently looking at my inbox. Filters are really useful because they help you automatically organize incoming emails based on specific rules, so you don't have to sort everything manually. To get started, I move my mouse up to the top right corner of the screen and click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Once the quick panel appears, I click on See All Settings to open the full settings page. Now I look across the tabs at the top and click on Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is where all existing filters are stored and where I can create new ones. To create a filter, I click on Create a New Filter. A small window appears where I can enter the filter criteria. This could be things like a specific email address, subject, or keywords. Once I've entered the criteria, I click Create Filter. Now Gmail asks what I want to do with emails that match this rule. I can choose actions like skipping the inbox, applying a label, or marking the email in a certain way. After selecting the action I want, I click Create Filter again, and the filter is now active. Now if I want to edit a filter, I stay in the same Filters and Blocked Addresses section, and look for the filter I want to change. Next to it, I click Edit. This opens the filter settings again, where I can modify the conditions or the actions. Once I've made the changes, I click Update Filter to save them. If I want to delete a filter, I simply find it in the list and click Delete next to it. Gmail will ask me to confirm, so I click OK, and the filter is removed. Using filters can really help keep your inbox organized automatically without needing constant cleanup, and that's it. I opened Gmail, went to settings, accessed filters and blocked addresses, created a filter, edited it when needed, and deleted it when I no longer needed it.